Mini Cosmetic Repair Insurance. Mini Cosmetic Repair Insurance helps you protect the beauty and finish of your vehicle, covering the cost for repairing minor cosmetic damages. So your Mini always leaves a lasting impression. If your Mini gets minor scratches, chips or dents, we'll repair it for you, either at your local Mini centre or at home by our mobile repairer network. Choose from either 2 or 3 years cover, always with a lifetime ownership guarantee on all repair work carried out. And if the minor damage falls within the parameters of the policy and can't be cosmetically repaired, we may contribute up to £250 towards a body shop repair. We don't just insure brand new vehicles either. We also cover approved used Minis. You can purchase Mini Cosmetic Repair Insurance anytime up to 60 days after taking delivery of your Mini, and choose whether you pay up front or in 12 monthly payments at no extra cost. No one cares more about your Mini than Mini. So why trust it to anyone else? Mini Cosmetic Repair Insurance, keeping your Mini looking the part. Mini Insurance Solutions. To find out more, contact your retailer or visit our website, mini.co.uk/insurance.